In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Zoom plan. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your Zoom account. Open your web browser and head over to the Zoom website. If you haven't done so already, enter your login credentials, your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Plans and Pricing. This is where the fun begins, as you start exploring different options for your Zoom account. Now that you're on the Plans and Pricing page, you'll see a variety of subscription plans tailored to different needs, whether you're an individual user, part of a small team, or even a large organization. Take a moment to browse through these options. Review the features of each plan to see what fits your requirements best. Once you've found the plan that meets your needs, you can easily click the Upgrade button right underneath that subscription. Next up, after you hit that Upgrade button, it's time to configure your plan. This step is pretty straightforward. You'll need to select the number of users you want to add to your subscription. This is particularly useful if you're managing a team or plan to host meetings with multiple participants. After deciding on the number of users, you'll also need to choose your preferred billing cycle. You can opt for monthly payments or save a bit by selecting an annual plan. Take a moment to think about what will work best for your budget and usage. Both options come with their own benefits. Once you've configured your plan just the way you like it, the next step is to proceed to the checkout process. So look for the Continue button on the page. Clicking that will take you to the next section where you can finalize your purchase. Now, we're getting to the final steps. You'll need to fill in your billing address, which is basically just telling Zoom where to send your invoices and such. Take your time here and make sure all your details are correct. Nobody wants payment issues, right? After you've filled that out, proceed by clicking Continue to Payment. This will take you to the payment section where you can select your preferred payment method, whether it be a credit card, PayPal, or whatever else Zoom allows. Finally, after entering your payment information, you'll have one last chance to review everything. Make sure all your details are accurate and complete your purchase. Once you confirm, you should receive a notification that your upgrade was successful. And just like that, you're all set with your upgraded Zoom plan. So that's a wrap on how to upgrade your Zoom plan. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Remember to subscribe and like this video